everyone, and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I thank you for your love, for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you that have supported Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I actually don't take it for granted. If you are new to the channel, you are highly and very welcome. If you have not subscribed already, please, I would appreciate if you hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell on the side to get an update whenever I upload a new video. You can, if you want to register for my online classes, you can just see my number scrolling through the screen. Send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll give you the details of all of the classes we have presently available. And then you can follow me on all of my social media platforms: Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, all at Stylish Naija. Okay, so in today's video, I've been getting this request. I've gotten it for a couple of times, how to actually finish your skirt lines with a bias binding. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that. It is a simple process. So instead of just making a boring skirt, this actually helps to pop out the beauty of your pieces. You can use it for a skirt, you can use it for dart lines of blouses, you can use it for even sleeves, you can use it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually achieve that. So now guys, so let's just get started. Okay, so I have my skirt pattern here. So this is a short skirt. I'm using a pencil skirt pattern. So most times this is usually done along the dart line. So I already have my dart line cut on this piece. So I'll just cut this out. Okay. And then I'm going to show you how to do this. So I need to turn the right side of my fabric. So this is the right side of my fabric. So I'll take one piece. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'll work with this piece, this part. Okay, so I'll take my bias like this. So I'll take this part of my bias like this. And then I'm just going to open this up. You can do this in two ways, you understand? You can do it in two ways. You can decide to fold your bias like this and then just fold it. I hope you can see it. I hope my camera, you can fold it and place it. But most times this is actually a little bit difficult. So the best one is just for you to open up your bias like this, and then I'll just go ahead. I'll stitch it down on that bias line point like this. So just make sure that you're stitching it nicely. So after stitching, I'll cut this down, and then I will take my bias piece like this. So note, you see what I'm doing. So I'm just folding it in like this now. So you can do this in two ways, you understand? This is just like the simple and easiest way to do this. After I'm stitching like this now down, you take this other part of your bias, you place it down like this. Most times I like doing this. It is always better to do this one like this. You see what I did? I just placed it down. You can see that it is looking a little bit wide. Just I'm placing it down. And then I'm going to secure it. I will secure it just on a tiny piece. You understand? So you note that this down part was a little bit big. So after doing this, so you have this. So with this, it is easier. The next thing now is for me to take this piece like this, and then I'll place it on top like this. You understand? Place it on top. Most times, what I like doing, once I place it on top like this, I would use from this back plus from the other side, I will stitch my piece. You can see now what I'm going to do now. I'm going to stitch my, let me bring it closer so you can see it now. So the thread that I have now, this is the thread that I use to secure it. That's this one that is outside here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sew in between these two lines. You understand? So I'm going to sew it in between here. So this will actually help give it that beauty. You understand? So I'm not going to just stitch. So you need to sew it behind, and then I'll sew in between. This is the first stitch that we stitched that secured it down. I should have used a lighter thread, and then this one is the second one that we use to flatten it down. And then now what I'm going to do now is sew in between those two lines. Okay, so I hope you understand. So I'll take this now, and then I'll place it like this, and then I'm going to start stitching. So it is equal. You have to be, your hand needs to be stable. Okay, so after stitching, I'm going to open it and check and see the side that did not lay in. So you can see how it is looking beautiful. So most times you can see this side now, you can see this part now is looking a little bit thin. When you open it up, you can see that this side is looking a little bit wider than this top part. You understand? So what I will do, I will go back, I will open it back, and then I will just note that area, just know that it's from here to here, and then I will restitch that part down. So that's the beauty of doing this one. I'm just going to go ahead, and then I will check. So you can see this side is okay, this part I'm going to redo it again. So you just keep doing that. This is just like the easiest way, but if you want to use the other one, you might get so frustrated in doing it. So at the end of the day, so this down part, I'm going to go ahead, I'll do that again, and then I'll take it back to my ironing table. I will go and iron it all down. So iron it down, and then I'll bring it back and show you. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so at the end of the day, so you can see how our our bias binding line looks like. It really came out fine. So this is how you actually achieve this. So if it is for a 6 piece skirt, the truth of the matter is that it takes a lot of effort to do this, but with patience you'll be able to do it. That's just it. So, and then for it to be neat, it's not just doing it. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in